So here we are again in the dyno of dreams with Mr. Ricky Elder. How are you doing, bud?
Clap to start. Yeah, all good. All good.
What have we got today?
Superleggera. Ta-da! The best one they make. You can keep your Performantes. I'll take this. 2008, 5 litre Lamborghini Gallardo Superleggera. Superleggera basically meaning everything's carbon. Carbon sides, carbon mirrors, carbon door cards, carbon centre console, carbon. Dash is full Alcantara. These are perfect.
They're quite rare, these, or many about?
Rare. Hard to find. You don't see many of them. 5 litre as well. They did Superleggera in 5.2. They've done a couple of different versions like Balboni and stuff like that. But this, in the original Gallardo, these are, I shouldn't swear, it's YouTube. Yeah, these are factory as. So we've had it in for Larini D-Cat or Larini Cat Sports Cats, a starting problem, a service, and a few other bits and pieces, and it's getting collected tomorrow. Go back to the owner. We'll run it on a dyno tonight, and we will put a dyno video in. Everyone keeps saying that we need to start adding dyno vids, so we'll bolt it on the bot. Supercars should make you feel special, and these make you feel special when you drive it. It's awesome.
Right, let me just adjust that because I can't actually see the sides. Let's try that again. Lovely seats.
Yeah, these are something else. I'm about to open that other door and let some light in. You know you're in an SL. When you drive in these, you know you're in one. They do not feel like the GT and the RA. The GT feels completely different to an RA. This feels completely different to a normal Gallardo. It's not the sum of its parts. It's not just different seats and different interior, and makes no more extra power. It hasn't got a different gearbox. But I don't know what it is about these. I really like these. Probably my favourite Lamborghini.
Well, and you get to see an awful lot of them, so that's saying something.
Yeah. Yeah, the sound of the V12 stuff is nice, but they don't feel like this. They don't feel like this. When you drive it, you drive it on a piss. So, like, if it had a clutch pedal, it'd be in the passenger side. They're so far off to the middle, so you drive it like that almost.
Yeah. The
gearbox is brutal. It's like old 90s style race car. It's nothing about being smooth between the gears. It punches you in the back, especially in sport mode. You just pull paddles and it just punches you and punches you. And then you've got the noise of the 5 litre, so the even fire engine, especially with these D-Cat pipes in now. Sports Cats in now. And then it's got Superleggera exhaust, which is a little bit more straight through, a little bit noisier. Yeah, these are special. I really like these. Cool. I like these. I don't know whether you've got that. Mate.
I'm getting the impression you quite like these, Rick. Yeah.
Yeah. But so the orange one we had in, we done a little while back. I don't think we did a video on that one. That was that twin turbo one. We rebuilt a gearbox on. That was a Superleggera. I've got one in tomorrow for a service. They're like buses. They just all seem to come in at once. That's a white one tomorrow though.
Yeah.
But yes. So
happy days.
10